guys, my name is Maureen Obiefle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to talk about soap that you can use on your vulva. Soap you can use to wash your vulva, okay? So I've been getting a lot of questions. I don't know if you guys are watching my hygiene videos. It's very important because there are some certain things I took mouth on. A lot of people have been asking me questions that I've already discussed on those videos. So I got a question from my which soap to use on your vulva to prevent itchy. Okay, you know, there's a lot of things that can cause vagina itchy, like vulva itchy. Vulva is an external body of your vagina. Vagina is the hole, okay, in your, you know, your perineal area. We have two holes, the urethra and the vagina. So the outer area of vagina is vulva. So vulva is the one that you will wash, not the vagina. I'll make a video of it. Please go ahead and watch my previous video. Okay, so now someone asked me soap she can use in order to prevent itching. You know, I should give her like varieties of soaps so she can choose, or I don't know the country the person is, I don't know, maybe the ones I did she's having difficult buying it, I don't know. But I'm doing this video now to clarify or to share with you guys. You can use so many soap, but be advised on the soap you use, because there's a lot of soap out there that they will tell you this is pH balance, this will not throw your pH balance. Please guys, it's not everything you see you buy. Always look for someone, or review is very important, especially in the product that you use on your sensitive area like your vagina, your butt, your face, you know. Please listen and watch this video to the end, okay? There is 4 soap I can recommend for vulva, okay? So 4 soap I can recommend for vulva wash. One is Vanicream. Did I even call it well? Okay, so one is Vanicream. Vanicream, I'll put it up here. Vanicream is very important. Vanicream moisturizes that area. And one thing I like about Vanicream, it doesn't have dye. It's a fragrance free soap. It's a bar soap. It moisturizes that area, mild and gentle, okay? It doesn't harm you because it's a fragrance free, it's a dye free. I love that soap so much. If you are, I don't know which country you are, you can look for it. Vanicream bar soap is very, very good. You can use that one. The second one I have on my list is Dove sensitive soap. So the second one I have on my list is Dove sensitive soap. Dove sensitive soap, I've been mentioning it like 1 million times on my channel. Is very good. I guarantee you that one because I've been using it, okay? For years now I've been using Dove sensitive soap. So Dove sensitive soap is very good under that area, okay? Under your on that area, on your vulva, around your vagina. You can use it. If you like, you can watch the video I make how you wash your vagina. You can use your hand with water with that bar soap and wash the area, or you can use wash clothes. Don't use your sponge, please, to wash that area because that area is so sensitive. If you use anyhow, then now you will get itchy, or it's irritating the skin. You can even get inflammation from it, okay? So Dove sensitive skin, this one, I believe you can find this Dove everywhere around the world, even in Nigeria, USA, you know, so many places you can find this. Online you can find this Dove sensitive skin and use it. If you're the type that like liquid soap, this is semi-liquid, that's what I call it, because it's not all that liquid. You can use this, the liquid form, okay, or semi-liquid form, anyhow you call it also, okay, it's still the same. So you can use this Dove sensitive skin. If you see this type, you use it. How you will know? If you see the Dove sensitive skin is written on it, or you can see that the blue, the cover is sky blue. Even this one, the bar one, the label here is a sky blue. Other ones, Dove have so many colors, so be aware. The sensitive one, the one that will work under here, I like this soap very well. It doesn't have smell, it doesn't it doesn't contain dye, fragrance. Anything that has fragrance in it is not all that good. Some will irritate your skin. You know, you don't want to be going outside and you are scratching your vagina. That's not good at all. Another one that is on my list is pure Castor soap. Pure Castor soap, okay. Pure Castor soap is very, very good. I believe you can find this soap in Nigeria too. So if you're in United States, you can find this soap any shop you go. In fact, almost any grocery store you go to, you will find this soap. You will find this soap in any grocery store you go. Walmart. How you will know the one I'm talking about is called Dr. Brunner's Pure Castor soap. You will see that is written on it, baby unscented. So be careful. You will find the one that look like a royal blue. That one is not this one. So be careful on what you are buying. That one has mint on it. Many people have sensitive skin, especially under there. They might use the mint one, they will not like it. But if you like the one that is unscented, use this one. This one is very good. As you can even see, it's not even full. Okay, see, I'm using this particular product, right? This one, I'm using it right now. So this one is very good, and it has a lot of organic ingredient in it. That's why I like this product. It has a lot of organic ingredient in it. I don't know, this soap is super. The last on my list is Dudu soap. Dudu Osun soap. So Dudu Osun soap is an African magic. It's an African soap. It comes with natural ingredients. And do you know why I like that soap? I was using that soap when I was in Nigeria, but not now. You can find that one too in African markets, or you can find it online. Amazon sell it. I believe eBay sells it too. Then in Nigeria, you can find it anywhere. Dudu Osun soap and Pure Castor soap has some similarity in it. Okay, the ingredient has a lot of similar ingredients. The both soap has similar ingredient in it, which I'm gonna read to you guys. Hold on. Dudu Osun has pure honey, shea butter, palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm birch ash, aloe vera, lime juice water, and fragrance, which I don't like the fragrance, okay. But what they use inside this product is all natural, okay. So there's no artificial color or any preservative on it. But like I said, the same ingredient I found on this soap is here too. So for Pure Castor soap, I found coconut oil, palm kernel oil, organic palm kernel oil, organic olive oil, organic hemp seed oil, organic citric acid, organic jojoba. So everything about this soap is organic, and everything about Dudu Osun soap is organic, except from the fragrance that I don't know the kind of fragrance, which I don't use it because it's a fragrance soap. For people that like fragrance, you can use, but except from it, this soap contains a lot of organic ingredients in it, as well as pure castor soap. So they have this common similarity. If you ask me which one is best among all these 4 soap that I just mentioned to you guys, I will say this one is Baba for down there. Honestly, this is Baba. If I can't find this soap, I'm telling you, I'm using my Dove soap, because I've been using this Dove soap before I started using pure castor soap. So, and another thing I will add on this video, although it's not part of this video, but it is part of this video. Another thing I will add on it is, did you see your underwear? Your underwear that you wear, sometimes in as much as you wear the cotton underwear, what you use to wash those underwear matters a lot too. Because if you use fragrance soap to wash your underwear, you will still wear it under there. Most of the time, maybe you are working like 12 hours, you are wearing your underwear, you will get itchy there too, in as much as you are wearing cotton underwear. Okay, so what you use to wash your underwear matters a lot too. I will even advise to use your hands to wash your if at all you will wash your underwear in machine, please use a fragrance liquid soap to wash it in machine. But if you are using your hands to wash your underwear, please use a sensitive bar soap. Either you use the Vanicream bar soap, or you use Dove soap. So that is one thing I wanted to add on this video. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? I'm that person that will tell you the truth. Okay, anything I want to say on my YouTube channel, I will tell you the truth. The products I use, health, beauty products, hygiene. Sometimes I will add my nursing tips, but for now, please, you guys should have exercise some patience on how I upload video. I upload video weekly, but anytime I have chance, I can upload twice a week. But as a new nurse, I'm doing my orientation, so I'll be uploading once every week, especially Monday or Tuesday. Okay, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? And please give me that thumbs up. It doesn't take away anything on you. Gives me thumbs up. Thank you guys. God bless you. Bye.